Hey guys, Dirtmaster here. Now, I know this is different to what I've recently played, but yeah. So, I'm gonna give Roblox a try. No, this is not what I actually look like. I tried to, make the little picture on the front. Problem is, the only way to make myself look different on this is through my phone, and my stupid iPhone wanted security, and it wanted answers that I don't know the answer to. I mean, I put in what the things were, but still, it didn't even say yes to it, and it was freaking 99 cents. I was fine with everything else. It was just the hair. Alright? If you have the Roblox app, look up brown charming hair. Alright? Go down quite a bit, and then you'll find it. Okay, you see this guy's hair right here? That guy's right there? That's the hair. Speaking of which, I probably should change to him and just take off that little thing around him. But I'll do that in future videos. You guys tell me if you want me to do that. Now, you guys can tell me if I should do more Roblox. I'm only gonna do this until ReCore comes out. But I'll do Roblox. You guys can tell me what games I should play. So tell me if when ReCore does come out in November, if I should continue Roblox and still do ReCore, or so we'll have to I'll try and figure out, put it into my schedule. You guys just let me know what you guys want to see. So also, I forgot to drop all the volume on my TV, so you guys are hearing a lot more than usual. Oh, okay now. Okay then. We'll just, oh dear. Oh hi. Well, people are getting on it. Don't know how they are. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. So apparently everybody's just chilling up here, so oh dear. So we're just gonna chill here. Oh dear. Those two guys got absolutely wrecked. Now, I know it's been a little while since I've recorded, but I finally got my recorder fixed. It did something to my Xbox One, but I got it fixed just a little bit ago. So now, because I've technically done every game, and a lot of them don't seem really appealing to me, and it probably won't seem appealing to you. A lot of them are older, so I didn't want to play them. Okay, we did it! Alright. Oh, apparently we have Mr. Slime. That's his username, DaySquirrel13. When he gets his YouTube channel all up and running, he'll be doing Minecraft, but I think he'll do a lot of Roblox too. But he did say that he will do Minecraft. So I'm just gonna go down. That picnic basket is way big. Yogi Bear would most likely want this. So, this is DaySquirrel13, future YouTuber. He'll most likely be in a lot of my videos on Roblox. Most likely all of the, oh. Oh, that's tiny. I could jump that in Roblox. It's teeny. Oh, excuse me, sir. I like your face. That looks nice. No! No! They're all jumping off and dying. Oh, you know what? I don't see DaySquirrel! I don't think he made it. Oh! We survived again. We did it! Alright. So, this is a natural disaster. I don't know any of these people. The only person I know is DaySquirrel. Ah, excuse me. Oh, he is alive. Okay, then. Never mind. He is alive. He survived. So, that's good. Yay, we survived. The only reason why is because I didn't get the Xbox first, so I didn't get to type in Dirtmaster, so I was stuck typing in DirtBDM. Don't know what that does, but oh. Alright. Oh, hello! Alright. I'm gonna go live in my chimney. Bye, people. Ow. I wanna go live in my chimney in peace. Ow. This is obviously a chimney. Obviously. This is my living room. This is the ladder to the TV room. Who puts a TV in a living room? You gotta make sure you have a skylight to your TV. This is where Jerry sleeps. This is where Jerry sleeps. So. Oh! No! I've suffered the same fate as those people in the arch. Well, probably for the best. We have a very explosive volcano. Alright, I wanna push this guy down. Push! Okay, we died doing what we tried to do. He moved, so we died. But there's like poo flinging everywhere. It's like charred poo. Just freezing everywhere. Oh dear. That built up so much, it just flew everywhere. I like how barely none of it has actually really touched the house. We apparently have Batman. Oh well. This guy's got pink. I gotta stay away. I'm allergic to the color pink. That's why I'm wearing purple. so. Okay, we didn't survive. Well, it's one less person in my house. Jerry's room is destroyed, so he needs to get his own home. And my house is totaled, so I'm gonna probably have to sleep in a dumpster from now on. Oh, apparently we got a new home at the trailer park. Oh. Alright, time to find the best room. Best place to live. Found it. All of you, get. It's my home. Mine. Oh. Looks like it's about to storm. Alright. Ooh, TV. I could live here. Is that purple? Oh well, I'll take this one. What's in here? Oh, it's the same. Ooh, and a blue bed. Better. And an apple. An apple. What? A tornado! Oh my goodness! For once, I'm glad I actually lost my hair. For once. Ooh, a toilet. For once, I'm actually happy I lost the hair of my character. For once, I'm actually happy. Hey, take me away! Send me to the sun. I need to actually go home. I just live in dumpsters for no apparent reason. We're now part of the tornado itself. Alright, let's get up. Take a run at it. Yeah. Ah, dang it. Come on, pick us up. Oh, we have a seizure. I don't understand how you can take a beating from like one of these to the head. Just fall on the ground for 3 seconds. You would obviously most likely die. But I don't know medicine, so. But hey, D&D Squirrel, Mr. Slime survived, and I need to go jump off because I don't have hair, and it looks weird. Apparently we're going surfing. Ooh. Ooh, I want to go in the shop. Excuse me, people. No. Ow! Oh, these people! Yo. Surfboard, surfboard. My father used to surf, but it's like skateboarding on water. I don't like skateboarding. I think it's honestly weird. What? The guy just died. Oh, lightning. Alright. What? Oh dear, the whole roof there is gone. When you guys are hearing it, I don't hear it. So, to be honest, everything's late for me, so my reactions to the sound is gonna be completely late. Oh my... The lightning bolt came straight for us. We were just standing there, right there, at that hole, and got absolutely annihilated. We got electrocuted and died. Got absolutely wrecked. I just recently got this account. Mr. Slime's had his account for a little. So, I'm gonna have to friend request him. Wherever he is. Mr. Slime! How do I send friend requests? Oh, what's in my backpack? Oh, nothing. These guys all got balloons. I'm thinking you just get a balloon. Ma'am. I would like, pizza. No crust. I have braces, so. Oh. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's just a giant ball. Okay. Okay. I'll be forever fine. Everybody stay out. It's my crib. Mr. Slime. What are you doing? Just underneath the tree. We're safe in here. How many people would be here? It'd be absolutely weird if a meteor just hit right here and killed all of us. That wouldn't be good. You know. Oh my. Okay. I'm now staying with Mr. Slime. Oh. Did you guys see that? Hit right here. Anyways, things don't hit where they've already hit, so they'll hit near it, but they won't hit what they've already hit. See? I wonder, will one actually hit this? It's getting really close, but I don't know if it actually will. We need one to just fall straight. Well, I don't want to question it, but we survived. So did Mr. Slime. I keep on calling him Day Squirrel because I keep on seeing his username. Mr. Slime, you're... Oh! What? Where'd I go? Oh, alright. Found the button. Ooh! I'm gonna live here next to these oil tanks. Be a shame if a meteor were to hit one of these. I wanna climb that big tower. So there's first person, third person. Alright. That's good. Sir, move! No, sir? Sir? Either you're gonna have to jump off or... Hit. Thunderstorm. No! We actually survived. Went over there and got electrocuted by lightning. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna move away I'm gonna take off my mic. You guys tell me if I sound better with it on or not. So in 3, 2, 1. Hello. Alright, which sounds better? You guys tell me. To me, it sounds the same, so I'm gonna put back on my mic. next weekend I'm gonna ask. Oh my god. Hold on, I gotta take off my headphones. So the next weekend I'm gonna go to Best Buy and use my own money to get a microphone and wireless headphones. So my recording equipment is gonna be way better. So that's gonna be good. But let's go ahead and leave and into another game. Let's see here. Let's do some of these levels. Let's do some of these. I unlocked a couple of achievements. I'm a floating egg, apparently. Apparently in speedrun, you're floating egg. Don't want to be, but oh dear, what the? Oh, I'm generating. Ah! Still can't move. Oh dear, why are my arms like that? Nobody runs like that. Oh my! Oh my goodness, this is absolutely freaking killing my ears. Alright, I'm gonna lower the volume for you guys. Alright, no! No! Okay, it's stationary. Don't know what that's gonna do. Okay, I did it, I did it. So now, everybody with headphones, I just saved. After about a minute. I figured it out. Oh! Apparently I'm being stalked by Mr. Slime. We will finish level 1. Mr. Slime! You jumped on my head. He just jumped on my head. This is impossible to know where the heck I'm. Okay, I'm gonna do this first person. Okay, no, that's absolutely terrible. Alright, next episode, I'm gonna see who can complete up to level 10 the quickest on this. So, me and Mr. Slime are gonna do races. So, you guys tell me if that's a good idea. If not, if you've played Roblox, just tell me what games I should play. I haven't unlocked them all yet. So after this, I'll play a couple more games and then I'll unlock every other game. So that way you guys can tell me what to play, what no. I'm not gonna rage. I'm not gonna rage. Oh, we're catching up to Mr. Slime now. I hate that jump. It's so thin that you fall off, and it's like so hard to keep still too. Oh my. Okay. I'm gonna leave this game. All right. QB Cube. Let's play this for the remainder of the video. Customize color. Oh. Okay, let's start. We'll just be whatever color we are. We're destined to be. Nom nom. Nom. Alright, we're size 9. It's pretty huge for being 9. But can't blame it. Pretty big. Oh dear. Okay, so this is like a guarded IO. Don't let that big guy eat me. Alright. I know a fancy little trick. Make you big again. No! Split up and cover more ground. Alright. I need to try and get big again. No, I'm gonna make one so tiny. Then the other is just gonna be so big that they'll wanna go for the tiny one. Oh, wait. Yay! Okay, that was a bad idea. Mwaha! Your reign is over. Okay, sir. I'm sorry for messing with you. I'm so sorry. Just leave me be. Just leave me be. Please, monsieur. I'm not French. I'm American, but still gonna say it like that. Yeah. Hello. I want to eat you. No point in going after them. This guy's way bigger. This guy's way bigger. Okay, if I die, alright, I'm gonna stop this episode. This is some Maze Runner stuff right here. Absolute Maze Runner. Oh. There's actual oil rigs. That's so mean to what happened in America. That's so mean. Maze Runner. We got a Maze Runner it. Yeah. And he goes super slow. Yo. Bad idea. Run, Mini Cube Army. We're in the city now. Don't let these guys catch up. Otherwise, we'll die. We'll die if they catch up. we will die. Can't even split, won't let me. Get them. No, 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 no. Okay, you know what, I gotta end the episode. Alright. Subscribe today to join Derpatopia now. See you all next episode. You guys let me know if you like Roblox. There's a lot more games, I know that. So I'll unlock them now. I'll see you all next time.